Live, we out here. Where's that? Alright, what up, live? We out here. Me and my brother Kavari is B Weezy coming live from the 386. Represent Florida on that A. We here. My brother finna show me how to sew.
You want me to teach you how to sew?
Yeah. Come on.
So first, I'll show you how to thread it. Get the thread. Put it on the spool.
Okay.
This is just to hold it in place. Oh. There's steps on there. You just follow. 1 through the loop. 2 through that. 3 down.
Okay.
Over.
4 and then 5 right here.
Yeah, 4.
Oh, I've always wanted to learn how to sew.
So that's the thing for 5.
Okay.
5. Pull that. And then down here 6. There's 2 loops.
Alright.
I guess you call that 7. So.
Alright, so what we doing?
So you put
what
that
is?
It's a needle threader.
Oh.
So you put that through the needle and then put the thread through the needle threader.
Okay.
Pull that back through that so it's threaded now.
Okay.
So you just put that through there and then that's how you get ready to sew.
So get ready to sew. Now what we gotta do next? Then this is the fabric.
Yeah.
Okay.
And to put it together, you just face them like the front sides together. Okay. So it's like that. And then
we just start sewing.
Yeah. Stay on the line as you go.
You gotta do it slow.
I mean,
because most people I be seeing, they be and I be like, wait a minute. My shit don't look like motherfucking 285.
So yeah,
to reverse it.
Yeah, just to hold it in place to lock it in.
Yeah. And this way you cut it out. Okay. That is so rad.
Yeah, we live.
Alright, let's get live then. Shit, we already here. What we doing?